Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain the if function in Microsoft Excel. What is the if function? The Excel if function allows you to make logical comparison between a values and what you expect. In the example, I will set pass and fail using the if function. If the student receives the total mark greater than and equal to 100, the result is pass. And less than 200, the result is fail. Firstly, use the sum function to calculate the total mark of the student. Equal. Click on the sum function. Select on the mark of all subject. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Now I set pass and fail using the if function. Equal. Click on the if function. Click on 200. Greater than equal 200, vote pass, vote, vote fail, vote close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down.